Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Liberty Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in liberty-bank.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Liberty Bank. Now from the homepage, you can use the login portion at the homepage at the right as well. And you can also click on login at the top right. You can then type in your username within the username section and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. Then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Liberty Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your username or password, click on the respective buttons alongside the username and password section and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Liberty Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.